Hi, what I've got here, what you're looking at, is a collection of fossil bones like you will find on the banks of the James River in southeastern Virginia. You've got a piece of whale bone there. There's several pieces of various rib bones, probably from cetaceans, whales, dolphins, seals, pinnipeds, like seals, sea lions, dugons, and manatees. And this is what you'll find in the area around here. Now, one of the things that a lot of people don't realize about the bones found here in southeastern Virginia is that they are slightly radioactive. And what I have here is a homemade Geiger counter that I will put here, and you can see on the display that we're reading a good bit above background here. Now, it's not super dangerous, but I would not sleep with this under my pillow or carry it around in my pocket. And it's kind of ugly, but and I don't think a lot of people are apt to do that. But this is just showing you a attribute of our local fossils that you may not be aware of. Anyway, there we go. Reading approximately 0.25 millirem per hour. And there you go. All right.